In a vast, green forest, nestled among the trees, lived a tiny, feisty grouse named Gus. He was smaller than the other birds, but he had a big heart and an even bigger spirit. One day, Gus noticed something unusual. A tiny, fragile egg lay on the forest floor, abandoned and cold. Gus felt a pang in his heart. He knew he had to help. Gus gently picked up the egg with his beak and carefully placed it in his nest. He promised to keep it safe and warm until it hatched. Days turned into weeks. Gus took care of the egg as if it were his own. He kept it warm, fed it, and sang lullabies to it every night. Finally, one dawn, a tiny chick popped out of the egg. Gus was overjoyed. He named the chick Chirpy and promised to teach him everything he knew. Chirpy grew up to be a brave little bird, just like Gus. They would often go on adventures together in the forest, making friends with other birds and discovering new places. One day, a hungry fox came to the forest. Gus and Chirpy knew they had to be brave to protect their home. With a mighty call, they rallied the other birds to help. Together, they chased the fox away, teaching him a valuable lesson about kindness and courage. The forest was safe once more, and Gus and Chirpy were hailed as heroes. From that day on, Gus and Chirpy continued to live in the forest, always ready to help and protect their friends. They may have been small, but their hearts were as big as the forest itself. As the sun set, Gus would sit on his branch, looking out over the forest he loved. He knew that as long as he and Chirpy were there, the forest would always be a safe and wonderful place for all its inhabitants. And so, the tale of the brave little grouse and his feisty friend Chirpy became a legend in the forest, a story of bravery, friendship, and the power of a big heart.